Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Samsung KnoxGuard lock on their devices. So oftentimes called KG lock for short, Samsung applies it when they are basically still either owed money for a device or when an insurance claim has been filed, they disable the old device as a security guard. So here with us today, we have a Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 that does have the KG lock enabled. When we turn on the device here, we get this message that says that Samsung disabled the device because it was reported as lost or stolen. So the exact message that can show up varies from device to device, but most likely in this case, it was an old device that had an insurance claim filed against it. And then as a security precaution, Samsung generally disables the old one when the new device is shipped to the customer, just to prevent some of the theft and fraud that happens around the sale of mobile devices these days. But we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually because they purchased a device used from a dishonest seller who had filed an insurance claim against a device just like this and then sold them the original one. And then once Samsung finished processing the insurance claim, they then applied the block on the device. So that can pop up a day, a week, a month, sometimes even longer after someone has already purchased the device. And then usually in that case, the seller has long since disappeared and the buyer can't get back in touch with them because it is a scam after all. So we're making this video here today to show any interested customers that we do have a way to be able to remove the lock from this exact model device without having to contact Samsung and go through whatever requirements they may have in order for them to be able to remove the lock. Because all of that is going to require probably providing an original purchase receipt, verifying information about the name, the email address, etc. associated with the original order, and obviously someone who purchased a device used or secondhand is not going to have that information. Our procedure of removing the lock is something that's performed directly to it while it's plugged into a computer. So the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows PC along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we're going to be doing here with this one. I'm just going through the initial setup steps here that will allow our tool to run through and take care of that lock for us. It's going to take another couple of minutes or so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of this video to the end, just so we can show the visual proof that the lock has actually been removed while still keeping the video as short as possible. So just hold on while this runs here.